When it comes to the Jeep Grand Cherokee, reliability can change a lot by model year. And picking the wrong year can get expensive. Let's talk about the years you should research before you commit. Let's start with the 2022 to 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. These years launched a full redesign. And early redesigns almost always come with problems. Owners report infotainment screens freezing or randomly restarting. Others report warning lights appearing with no clear cause. Complaint data shows consistent electrical and infotainment failures. These years are also tied to major recalls, including steering issues. There's even an active investigation into whether a suspension recall fix actually worked. If you're looking at a 2022 or 2023 model, verifying recall history by VIN is essential. Next up is the 2022 to 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. This is Jeep's plug-in hybrid version. Several model years are affected by a battery fire risk recall tied to the hybrid system. The risk was serious enough that owners were told to park outside and avoid charging. That's not minor, that's a warning sign. If you're considering a used 4xe, never assume recall work was completed. Now let's look at the 2017 to 2019 Grand Cherokee. These years often look like a bargain, selling 40 to 60% below their original list price. But complaint data shows recurring problems with interior electronics. One of the most common issues is infotainment screen delamination. The screen starts bubbling, then it begins registering phantom touches. It's annoying, distracting, and not cheap to fix. So, is the Jeep Grand Cherokee a good buy? Absolutely. It has great all-wheel drive capability and plenty of features. The key is picking the right year and verifying that every recall has been completed. The smart move is avoiding early redesigns, making sure recalls were handled, and researching reliability ratings by model year. 5 minutes of research can save you thousands later. Check out Car IQ Report, a tool that uses verified government data to help you find the most reliable Jeep model years. If this saved you some research time, hit like and help other buyers see it.